Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. So today we're going to be doing the Ipsy unbagging. This is the first time that this has ever happened to me, but my bag has come undone and it was open. So I've already pulled out what's in there, and I did order 2 extras, and thankfully I got the expensive one, which is the Huda Beauty one that I ordered. But I did not get my other item, and I believe it was a skincare item. It was only $3, but still. So anyway, this is the first time that that has ever happened to me. That's how it came. It was completely open and guaranteed that the other piece fell out. I mean, I could be wrong. We'll see if it's inside my bag, but I don't believe so. So this is a $10 a month subscription. It is an awesome bag. I love getting this. I did put myself on the waiting list for the Glam Plus. So we're waiting to see if I'm going to get that. Hopefully next month I'll have that. I'm excited for that because that's 5 full-size products. This is 5 sample products. So it says, and off she went to change the world. That's cute. And it's got a little star. Says Ipsy on it, blue zipper. Very cute. Alright, so that's inside pink. Alright, so it's National Women's History Month. To celebrate, we loaded up your March glam with female-founded brands and girl boss staples. Learn about these trailblazing founders, plus everything you need to know about 5 hashtag #ItsbyShero products on Itsby.com. This one for all the women out there running the show, making history, and helping us look damn good along the way. And then it talks about, wait, there's more. And then it has everything that's in your bag, which I really like now because they used to not do that. So anyway, before I get started, I wanted to show you this. I'm sure everybody's seen the Huda palettes before, but that is gorgeous. And that was $15 as an add-on. And you had to go on the 2nd of the month and go get that, which it's amazing. Wow, my goodness. Definitely worth it because these are, I think, $26 or $28. So I'm just going to do a couple swatches. That's what they look like. And, oh, that's pretty. Wow, the mattes are amazing. Well, that one didn't go as good, but look at that matte. Wow, that's really good. All right, so let's get into the bag. So the first thing that I am pulling out, oh, I've had this. Well, I haven't had this, but I've had their primer, and I didn't like it. Densa BC Foundation in Light. Densa embraces diversity and beauty and empowers women to pursue their passions. This creamy foundation does a whole lot of good for your skin. It's a BB, CC, and full coverage foundation in one that acts as a moisturizer, primer, blemish fighter, and more. All right, so I'll give it a shot because oh, and it's sealed. Yay. I always give everything a shot, so let's see if it matches. So that's what it looks like. See if it blends in. Looks good. Oh, it will match. Yeah, that'll match my skin color, so I'll give that a shot. And there is SPF in it, so there'll probably be a flashback. And it's 0.34 ounces. Alright, so let's move on to the next item. And this is Lottie London Shimmer Squad, the good girl. That's really cute. Shimmer Squad highlighter in the good girl. Insta beauty addict Lottie London is inspired by vloggers, bloggers, and street style stars you love from IG. This champagne highlighter finds your best light. The ultra blendable powder formula goes on evenly to give you an out of this world glow. No filter required. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's a pretty big pan too. Wow, that's a pretty good size pan. Okay, I definitely have a Z palette I can put that in. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, that's pretty. Oh yeah, wow. Can't ever have enough highlighter, huh? New. especially since I'm getting ready to go to work. Oh, that's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Love it. All right, next item. Oh, Morphe Bronzer. This is the first time I've ever gotten anything from Morphe in my bag. So Morphe Mini Bronzer in Enemy. Morphe encourages everyone to express their creativity, which is what makeup is all about, in our opinion. This velvety bronzer blends into your skin seamlessly, so application is a cinch. Plus, it's matte, so there's no sparkle or shimmer. Just totally natural sun-kissed glow. It does look a little dark. It is an Enemy. Let's see. I usually use a little bit of a lighter bronzer than this, but definitely up to giving anything a shot. Well, I mean, I don't know. I'll have to try it. Yeah, I've got swatches everywhere. My hands are a mess already. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's nice. Definitely give that a try. Alright, next item is IBY Beauty City Limits eyeshadow. I guess City Limits is the color. No, it can't be. Headliner is the color. Alright, so IBY eyeshadow and headliner. This velvety powder shadow is a staple in our kit for creating a cut crease or using a transition shade for a smoky eye. What's more, the formula is vegan-free, talc, mineral oil, and parabens-free, and is infused with rosehip seed oil to help protect delicate skin on your lids. So let's see what it looks like. I'm going to have to look on my website and see what the item missing is. See if I want to email them or not. Oh, that is pretty. So let's give that a swatch. Oh, that's nice. It's kind of like, I don't want to say it's shimmer, but it's not matte either. So maybe like a velvet. My hair's still wet, I'm sorry. Maybe like a velvet formula. My hair's a mess too, sorry guys. But I got to get ready to go to work. So, all right, and yep, last item. So my item is not in here. I will have to look it up, and when I do my next box, I'll let you guys know what I did. If I had to contact customer service again. I did just contact them a couple months ago because I was missing a brush. So I don't know how they would take that because I just contacted them. I don't know. So anyway, our last item is, you know I can't say this, Trisola Intense Hydrating Mask. This brand's all about healthy and hydrating products that will give your hair half life. Okay. Or give your hair life. I don't know why I said half. Made with nourishing essential oils, this moisturizing treatment improves texture, elasticity, aka a less breakage, and bounce. Plus, it's sulfate, phosphate, and paraben free. I love getting hair masks because I just used the one that I got. Well, not the mask, but I used that shampoo that I got in my Birchbox. And I mean, it smells good. I like it. We'll see. I don't blow dry my hair that often. It is sealed. So we'll see when it dries all the way how I like it. Doesn't really have a smell to it. It is full. It's 0.7 ounces. Never heard of this, so I definitely will give that a shot. Alright, so I'm not too mad. Like I said, I think it was only one product that was $3, so, and no shipping, so I'm not upset about it. But for as far as the items in this bag, I am absolutely happy with everything I got. I love it. The eyeshadow, the mask, the foundation, the bronzer, and the highlight. And then, of course, my Huda Beauty Accessions, which I will probably be using almost every day. I mean, I do like to use purples and pinks on my eyes, but I love doing a smoky eye too, as you can see. So, yeah, I will keep you updated on what happened with the customer service for them. Oh, my dog's in the background barking. Sorry. And I will let you know how that goes. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. And thank you guys and have a great day, or fantastic day. I'm sorry. See you next time. Bye.